Today I'm gonna share with you the recipe for this delicious banana bread that is oil-free and gluten-free. You can also use whole wheat flour if you don't mind the gluten. A good thing about this bread is that you can customize it by adding walnuts, coconut flakes, chocolate chips, blueberries, or anything you like. To start, we're gonna mix 2 tablespoons of flaxseed plus 3 tablespoons of water, and we're gonna let it set aside. We are gonna need 3 ripe bananas. The riper, the better for this recipe. We are gonna peel them and put them in a bowl, and we are gonna add a quarter a cup of maple syrup, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. We are gonna mash the bananas with a fork. It doesn't have to be a puree. As long as you don't have big pieces of banana, it'll be fine. We're gonna mix very well, and then we're gonna add a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a cup and a half of chickpea flour, and we're gonna mix very well. And we are gonna transfer into a baking tray. And I forgot to add the flaxseed earlier, so I'm gonna do it at this point, but you should do it before transferring it to a tray. And now we are gonna bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to 55 minutes. You can insert a toothpick, and if it comes out right, then you'll know that it's ready. And that's it, my friends. Now it's ready to enjoy. A very healthy and delicious banana bread. And here I have the whole wheat flour version. I used the same ingredients, I just changed the flour, and I added a teaspoon of baking powder. I hope you tried this recipe and that you enjoyed this delicious banana bread. Thank you so much for watching. I make a new video every week, so if you like to see more, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day.